Now they're all going to insist that oh my God, who taped? Where's Peter? He did this.
No, that's not my dad.
He did this.
It's from everybody.
Because he scotch tapes everything.
One of the kids that wrapped it. Who wrapped it?
Sandra.
Andrea, look up. Kara, look up.
Oh, do I have to? The last picture I saw of me was bad enough.
It was good. I took it.
Hey.
Oh, look at Marley and me.
Alright, great. Now next present. The big one.
Is that a real Marley?
Open it. Let me hurry up, please.
Oh my God! Did you know about this? Oh my God! So cute. Oh, look at him. Oh my God. What's he going to do with the cat?
It's a girl.
Okay, we've been training her for a week. She's good with cats.
We've had her for a
You know,
week.
my cats aren't going to be good with her.
It's alright. This part of the gift is I'm staying at your house for 2 weeks. That's why I asked you if you had a spare bedroom.
Look how cute.
Where's the card?
Beautiful. Oh.